if I understand correctly, you're a third generation sandal maker, is that right?
There you go.
And your family's been in the business since when?
1920.
1920.
We're going to celebrate our centennial in a few months.
Nice. Do you have a son of your own or children?
No, this is the end.
The end?
Of the Melissinos.
So what makes your sandals so special?
Look at this. I'm making everything myself.
Uh-huh.
It's like to measure.
Nice.
Who's crazy enough to do that nowadays?
And if you had to estimate, how many pairs of sandals do you think in your generation, when you've been the man in charge?
Thousands, I don't know.
Tens of thousands?
Yeah, tens of
right.
thousands.
Wow. Nice. So people from all over the world come in here and get their sandals handmade in a couple of hours' time.
Yeah.
It's a very unique craft, yeah?
Yeah, it is, because actually nobody else is doing this thing.
Uh-huh. And how are these sandals different than the ones I see around town? Those are just not custom made?
Natural food, grain, vegetable tanned leather from the island of Crete.
All of the leather comes from Crete?
Yeah.
Nice.
So nobody else is doing that because this leather is, you can see the grain of the leather and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Today's people, they don't know the true quality, so they prefer leather that's like made up, it's, they shave the surface, they put plastic on top and they serve it as good leather, but it's not. So we use the real thing, the real deal. But only few selected.
So tell me a little bit about the whole art and poetry part of the sandal making space in your business.
I write poetry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I paint because I studied at Parsons School of Design in New York City, in Manhattan.
Okay.
Yeah, I lived there for 10 years. I also became the artistic director of the Free Cultural Center in New York before coming back.
Okay. What brought you back to Athens?
The crime in New York.
Which decade are you talking?
80s.
Okay.
I used to live in Hell's Kitchen.
Okay.
And they would break into my apartment regularly. So
Yeah, I'm done. And came back to Athens?
So I came back to Athens.
Nice. What is it like for you knowing that people from all over the world, you become world famous, people from all over the world come in here to wear your shoes and then they take it back and it's kind of a very intimate thing. Not only are you touching people's feet while you're here, they're here getting the custom fit, but then they go on to live their lives wearing this special product, these special sandals that you've made. How does that make you feel?
Happy. It makes me happy. It's like traveling around the world since I don't have the time to do it myself. The world comes to me.
Nice. How many more years do you see for yourself doing this?
If I do it like this, maybe next year I'm gonna be done.
Nice.
I don't know. I have to take it easy a little bit now because now we're getting older.
And these young guys in your workshop, are they like apprentices? You've taught them the craft?
I'm teaching them how to do it.
And is it your hope that they will carry on the shop and once you're done?
Maybe.
Nice.
We'll see.
Tell me some of the people who you've made sandals for here over the years.
The wife of your and the daughter of your former vice president, Joe Biden, Sarah Jessica Parker, Lily Tomlin, Bob Saget.
How was that interaction? He's a character, huh?
Yeah, but he was very serious. Many others, I don't know. There are many celebrities because today there are hundreds of celebrities, thousands of celebrities. It's not like in the past.
So how many different styles are on the menu?
About 30.
30 different styles.
About,
And generally the price range is from what to what?
40 to 60.
And so...
And special orders are more expensive.
Right. And on a day like today is late September 2019, you were able to make my sandals in a couple of hours. You told me come back and then you did the custom fit when I was here, kind of tweaking them, adjusting the straps and putting the nails in. Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool. Is there anything that you feel like you know about the world or how the world works based on this specific and special place in our planet that you have?
What do you mean by that?
Well, I mean, you have a very unique place in the world and a very unique craft, and you've become sort of a master at what you do, and I'm wondering, do you understand the world in a specific way, or have ideas about the way the world works based on the work that you do?
Here I'm gonna write a book one day
Yeah.
about how to judge people by how they behave in a sandal shop.
Father and grandfather who started the business?
Yeah, my grandfather started the business in 1920.
Amazing. And the dog is yours?
Yeah, this is Poi Poi.
Say the name again?
Poi Poi.
Poi Poi. All right. Can you introduce yourself one more time and tell me where we are?
Pantelis Melissinos, the poet sandal maker of Athens.
Nice. Here in Monastiraki Square in late
Yeah.
September 2019. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to enjoying my sandals for years to come.
Thank you.